All right, when we get our fill panels on, we're ready to measure our rake. We're going to find that profile in the panel, not the edge, but the profile. And then we're going to come in and measure into our 2x2. Minus a 1/4 inch. That way we don't fight ourselves when we're installing the panel. So once we get that measurement, we'll go ahead and have a list. And we'll write that one down. And then continue measuring your entire rake. Measure those. Write them down. Write them down. So keep them in order from eave to ridge, and then we can keep those in order once we cut and bend them. All right, so we're ready to cut our rake pieces. We'll have all our measurements in order. Bring those down. Go ahead and find that same profile we measured from. And we can go ahead, mark that, and we'll do a cut line and a bend line. Since we're folding that up 2x2, we can just use our 2x2. Bring it to the cutter. Then bring it to our bender and fold that up since it's going up against my 2x2. Then once we get all our pile done, we'll have them in order from the eave to the ridge and hand those up ready for install. All right, once we get our stack cut and bent, we'll go and bring it up and it's going to be in order. We can go ahead and start installing those. Making sure everything's nice and tight, keeping those barrels straight. Just take your panels off your pile in order, and then we can come back and start fastening those.